YouTube, welcome back. Got this special unboxing for you guys to check it out. This is the spring summer 2018. This is the week number 2 drop. This one is the stacked long sleeve top. So lime color. Let's go ahead and get this unboxed. As you can see, Supreme, they don't have the zipper of the line for you to pull anymore. So it's making it more difficult to open it up now. I gotta struggle and tear out the plastic. Unlike the Palace skateboard that I just did unbox. What the heck is that? String? Plastic. So like always, they always come with this nice thick Supreme shopping bag with their red box logo front and back. Okay. Ooh, I can see a couple stickers. Nice. I hate it when I only receive one. So you get lucky if you get this poppy seeds. You hear that? So I got the Supreme box logo, and let's see what else is in there. I'm not gonna open this because it's factory sealed. Maybe for those collectors out there, they want to collect them and they don't want people to open it up. I want to see what kind of stickers in there. Anyway, I'm not sure. It's not allowing me to look at. There are like 2 additional stickers besides the box logo. Oh man. Come on. Did they stick it together or what? Oh, there you go. Which is this one? It's got a bottle with the bomb. It says Supreme 2018. Oh, the other one I think is a guy that was printed on a t-shirt. Yeah, very good. Hey, hey. So let's go ahead and move on to this long sleeve tee and check it out. Before I open it up, I'm going to show you guys to let you guys know this is authentic. Okay. Oh, this is a lemon color, not lime. It says stack. I think they printed wrong. It's not short sleeve. It's supposed to be LS, stand for long sleeve top. And you got this spring summer season 18. And then that's probably the item number or something. Then the color, the barcode, and then the size medium. So I guess Supreme, somebody screwed up with their bag. Wow. You got this nice imprints on here. It's kind of like a glossy, as you can see. So you got the white with the black. So white out on the outer layer. Smell paint. Okay. Got this Supreme 100% cotton, size medium. Oh, yeah. Somehow, when I compare to their product with the Palace, this is a more rougher material than the one that I got from Palace. You got this tissue paper. Also, there is a label say Supreme size medium. Quality garment. So this one was like 88 bucks plus $10 shipping plus tax. Wow, it went over about $100-something. Okay. Yesterday I was about to buy a trench coat from Express, and it was only like 72 something because they have 40% off. So I believe the after markdown, it was like 140 something bucks, 45 or something like that. And I think the original price was about 300 something. So, and I didn't buy it. So this one is cost more than the trench coat that I was about to buy. So you got this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Supreme stacked up. And here is the inner label. Wow, that is a very bad quality. Look at that. They didn't even stitch it straight. I'm not sure you can see it. So that's kind of bad quality control from Supreme, you know. Unfortunately. 100% cottons. New York City, made in China. Wow. No wonder there are so many people, sellers out there, selling knocks off. So copy one, replica one. That's why they're selling, because it's made from China. They can mass produce it, and then which is not good for Supreme. So anyway, this is my unboxing for this Supreme stacked up long sleeve tee. Unfortunately, Supreme screwed up my label on the back. So we'll see. So be sure to like this video, give a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet, and then turn on the bell for notification. Please also share this with your friend and family on social media, and if they are willing to spend their money, and then they want to go ahead and make sure everything that I show you is legit. Alright, so I'll see you guys on the next video, guys, like always. Peace out, guys.